This is Merlin, the 4-month-old baby parrotlet. Merlin, wave hello. Wave. Good boy. And if you'd like to teach your parrotlet how to wave, then you can start by extending your finger as if you want him to come up on your hand, like this. But instead of letting him climb up all the way, you can leave it out a little bit. Merlin, wave. Good boy. So that he can't quite get on you. And eventually, with the command wave and a bunch of repetition, he'll start just waving. So Merlin, wave. Good boy. Merlin, wave. Good boy. Let go. All right, Merlin, wave goodbye. Yeah, bye everyone.